Hi guys, so this video is just gonna be an example of how our Juggernaut EA works. I had a lot of questions from people that were asking me, how does the EA work? How is it placing orders? When does it take its profit? When does it hit its stop loss, or does it use any stop losses? Things like that. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this just short example of a US30 trade that I took just very recently. So I decided to record it while it was running, so you guys can see I have speeded up, so the time is 5 times faster. But you can see this EA needs to go in drawdown before it can potentially make profit, right? If it's not going into drawdown, it's gonna have low profits, and to have high profits we need at least a little bit of drawdown and then a pullback. So the strategy behind this EA, usually we use martingale. We can use fixed lot, we can use step lots. I can show you that in another video. I have other videos where I explain the settings as well, so go and check those out if you want to learn more about the settings of the EA. But how it works is it goes into drawdown, it puts an order, it goes more into drawdown, and it sets another order that is usually bigger than the other one. The idea behind it is that the market never goes down in a straight line, right? The market goes up and down, and especially during consolidations, especially during the Asian session, we like to use this EA because then the market is not really trending. It can happen, but we have equity stops for that. We can use an equity stop at, for example, 1%, 2%, 3%. When our equity goes below that, it automatically shuts down all the trades and we are safe. So again, this EA performs best during the Asian session because then there is more chance of consolidating market. So as you can see, the EA is working. It has placed some trades. It's very near to TP. You can set your own TP distance, so you can choose wherever you want it to take profit. You can choose how fast it needs to set new orders, how fast those orders needs to increase in position size. So those are all things that you can play around with once you are the owner of the EA, of course. But yeah, you can see it's working very nicely. If it's dropping, it will continue to place new orders. You'll see that in a second. And then once it pulls back, it takes your profit and it starts all over again. So as you can see, it's very easy to use EA. You don't need a lot of experience in the trading world or in the trading industry. It's just very easy to use. I deliver it with set files, so you don't need to touch anything. I deliver set files for prop firm accounts, for real accounts, so you don't need to worry about that. We have a very strong community where we all come together and search for even better files, optimize everything that we have. So it's a continuous process where we try to help each other and get better and basically get the best results possible. So I'm just gonna leave it with that, guys. Thanks for watching the video. I hope this explains it a little bit more now that you have seen how the EA is working, how it's placing trades, etc. So it's a very simple algorithm, but very, very effective. If you want to join my Discord, it's in the description below. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.